Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to create a small project by which we can understand that how to disable a button after a click using the JavaScript, right? So for that first we will create a button and in the button we'll write submit form like normally we do with our forms, right? When we click on button the form gets submitted, and whenever the form gets submitted we want to disable the button so that user cannot just randomly click on it, right? So let's give a id as submit, right? Now after that we will also create a paragraph. Let's give a id to this paragraph, sorry, id to the paragraph as message, like this, right? Now after coming to the JavaScript part, the main thing starts like this. Let's say that const button equals to document dot get element by id bracket. Inside of this we will take our what button id, that is submit, right? So submit. Now inside this, after we will write that const message equals to document dot get element by id bracket, and we will take this particular message, right? So we'll write message like this. After doing this, what we'll do, we will write a event listener to the button, which when get clicked we will make the button as disable, right? So we will write that btn equals to, not equals to, that add event listener bracket, we will add the event as click. After that we will create a arrow function. Inside this arrow function we will write btn dot disabled, right? Disabled equals to true. So this is the property which actually makes the button disable. So normally we write button dot disabled equals to true, like this. And after that, if I want to change the text also, that is change the text like this, right? So for that we'll write btn dot text content equals to submitted, like this. So earlier it was submit form, now whenever you click on this particular button it will get converted into submitted and button will get disabled, right? And after that, if you want to like show it the some message in the text area, for that we will write message dot, not mess yeah message dot text content equals to, let's say, form is successfully submitted, like this, right? So let's see that whether it is working or not. So let's go to the web page. You can see here it is having a submit form here. We also need to add some style also, like message dot style dot color equals to green, like this. Otherwise it will not be visible as our screen is black, right? So when I click on it, you can see the form gets submitted and you can see the color get dimmed. Why it get dimmed? Because button is now being disabled, right? Let's remove it. So you can see after clicking it, now I cannot click it again. So simply reload the website. You can see I'm having the button. When I click on it, the button gets disabled, the text content of the button get changed, and you can see the form is successfully submitted. The message area is now visible. So this is how we can do the disabling of button with the help of JavaScript. I hope you understood the concept. This is the main logic behind doing particular task in our JavaScript. If you like the video, then make sure that you hit the like button, and we will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.